Guys, it's your girl Eonnie Dear here, and today I'm gonna be doing my Blackpink Jennie look. So as you can see, I already started off with my foundation and my concealer, and we are going to go straight into the eyeshadow. Now I'm just using my Ace Beauty bronzing palette that I got from BoxyCharm. I'm just using the third shade and putting it all over my lids. Now, you don't have to be precise. You can take any brush you feel like. If you want a bigger brush, you can go ahead and use that and just go all over your lids. As you can see, I'm just gonna do this next side with the same brown color and go all over the lid. The makeup seems to be maybe a mustardy yellow, but I don't really have that, so I just went for a cool tone brown. So yeah, I'm just fanning it out so it's a little wing, which I like to do. I'm also taking that same shade and going down the bridge of my nose to contour. And now I'm going to take off the excess and just blend it in with a clean brush. Gotta blend, girl. Just blend. I just go under my lips, give a little pout, and put a little bit more shadow on my lid. Now I wanted to darken it a little bit more because I felt like the shade I wasn't doing wasn't dark enough. So I just used the last color, which is more of a reddish cool tone brown. And I just put that all over the lid and fan it out to make it look like a wing. Now I'm just going to take my beauty sponge and I'm going to go into the Bretman Rocks palette, and I'm going to go into that red shade. Now, as you can see, I'm taking the sponge and I'm doing the pointy side, and I'm just trying to make it into a triangle, you know, kind of clowny. I don't want to say clowny because we bad, we cute, okay? So I'm just putting it into a nice triangle underneath the eye. Now I'm taking that same sponge and I'm tapping it on my hand before I'm putting that color on my eye, so it won't be a like pigmented color straight away on my skin. So now I'm just blending it out. Tap it on the back of your hand and just blend it out in a triangle shape. Now I'm just taking a normal lid brush and I'm going in that same color, and I'm just going to go right under my eye and darken it up. So I'm just gonna line it right underneath and take whatever excess and go downwards. Not all the way, just underneath the eye. Now Jennie, she looks so cute with this makeup on. And because I have the little, you know, blonde front streaks, I thought it would be cute if I did the look too. So yeah, this is just me filling that in, filling underneath my eye. And I'm just going straight to the next side. As you can see, I'm just filling it in, triangle, filling in that triangle shape, making sure it stays. If you go out the line, you can take your same, I use my cushion that I use my foundation for, and I just tap it in and tap it over just to lighten that area and make it look more aligned. Now, as you can see, I'm taking the other side of the sponge and just dispersing out the color so it's not so harsh. Like I said, blend boo. You gotta blend. Now in the same Bretman Rocks palette, I'm taking the black color and I'm just putting it, concentrating it right at the corner of my eye. I'm not doing all under the line, under my eye. I'm just doing right there in that little triangle, just to deepen the effect. I think it just gives a cute extra look. Because I think, I'm not really sure, I think Jennie, she has like a small, tiny liner. So I just wanted to do a small little liner and then put some emphasis on the corners of my eyes. Now I've already put on my lashes. I put on my little half lashes and I put on my mascara. And now I'm going to just do some bronzing and bring some life to my face. So I'm using the same Ace Beauty palette and I'm going to go into both of the last colors that I used on my eyes and putting that right on my my temple and on the sides of my cheeks. In this, I don't believe I used any highlight. I don't think I did. I didn't feel, I didn't feel the pull to use highlight. Definitely, if you want to, you can use highlighter. You can do it under your brows. But I don't think I used any. Yeah, I think after that, I just throw on my little Wet n Wild tinted lip balm. And we done. Yep. So I hope you like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, my lovelies. Bye.